Abahlali base-Freystata bebebambe uqhankqalazo bebevale uhola wendlela N1 phakathi kwezinto abazikhalazelayo ooMaspala abaliqela kwelaphondo zindlela ezimbi, ukungathathwa kwenkunkuma nemibhobho yelindle egqabhukileyo.
As you can see, the streets are dirty, there are potholes which are not good for the cars.
Standard is very poor, but people are just looking for themselves. Nobody cares about anybody anymore.
ooMaspala abaliqela kwelaphondo kuvakala ukuba batsala nzima.
President Ramaphosa has announced that the elections will take place in October this year, and if people are frustrated with poor services in the Free State, they must voice that frustration and protest at the elections.
What is happening here is not surprising us. In fact, we're expecting it. But this issue of prioritizing internal squabbles at the expense of service delivery.
ANC kwelaphondo ayikwazanga ukuphefumla nanjengoko biye bachitha ubunkokheli belaphondo inkundla yezibheno.
We've seen recently a spike in the number of service delivery protests. This is also once again indicative of the client interface. If there's absolutely no close communication channels, you will see the people going to the street.
Ukanta wephansi namalingo okufumana ilizwi kwisebelo lawo ngobambiswano.